Tree of the Wind. On the outskirts of a quiet village, there were old trees. The tree is called Wind Tree and has long been loved by the villagers. Every year, a festival was held under the trees, and many people gathered and had a good time. However, this tree had a secret. It means that the spirit of the wind resides. One day, Lena, a girl living in the village, had a dream while listening to the sound of the wind under the wind tree. She met a spirit with a ribbon that could fly freely with the wind. The spirit said to Rena, "If you really want to be free, touch the tree of the wind and convey your wish." Lena woke up and remembered the words in her dream. She made up her mind and headed to the tree of the wind. "I touched the trunk of the tree and quietly wished, 'I also want to fly with the wind.' Then, the tree began to rustle, and the wind enveloped her. At that moment, the wind around Rena suddenly became stronger, and her body floated up lightly. Lena's heart was filled with surprise and joy, and she flew as if sliding in the wind. She looked down at the village and tasted the freedom itself while feeling the spreading earth and blue sky. However, the fun time passed quickly, and Lena realized that she had to return to her village. So she conveyed her gratitude to the spirit of the wind and wished in her heart, "May you be able to fly freely again someday." The wind gently sent her to the village, and Lena landed safely on the ground. From that day on, every time she looked up at the sky, she remembered the tree of the wind. An encounter with the spirit of the wind remained in Lena's heart, and she was able to enjoy a small adventure in her daily life. The villagers were also able to regain their sense of adventure and add color to their daily lives by listening to the story of the wind nurtured in Lena's heart. The tree of the wind has become not just a tree, but an existence that gives freedom and dreams to all people. In this way, the story of the wind sleeping became an important story for everyone in the village, and the encounter with the spirit of the wind became hope for the future. Lena will continue to pursue her wonderful dreams in the future.